Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's talk about cross-zone load balancing in AWS. In elastic load balancing, we have a feature called cross-zone load balancing. Now, let's break it down what it is, how it works, and why it matters with simple example. First, let's understand what is cross-zone load balancing. So cross-zone load balancing in elastic load balancer, which will decide how the traffic is routed across availability zones. And here is something important to remember. In the application load balancer, cross-zone load balancing is enabled by default and it is completely free. But in the network load balancer and gateway and classic load balancer, so this cross-zone load balancing is disabled. By enabling this feature, it may incur inter-availability zone data transfer costs, but you can enable based on your needs. So now let's take a simple example to understand how elastic load balancer route traffic across availability zones when the feature is enabled. Let's say you have 5 targets which are registered with your elastic load balancer, which spread across 2 availability zones. Availability zone A has 3 targets and availability zone B has 2 targets. So when the feature is enabled, elastic load balancer, it will distribute traffic equally across all the 5 targets regardless of their availability zone. So each target will get a 20% of total traffic. So this ensures perfect load balancing even if the number of targets in each AJ is different. When the feature is disabled in the elastic load balancer, so the traffic will be sent only to the targets which are there in the same AJ as the incoming request. So if more users are hit availability zone B, so those 2 targets will be overloaded, while the 3 targets in the availability zone stay underutilized. So this leads uneven load distribution and as well as potential performance issues also. And when we talk about some of the benefits of cross-zone load balancing, so it will ensure equal or even distribution of traffic, and it will prevent overloading of instances in the specific availability zone, and it will improve the resource utilization, and it will also support fault tolerance and availability also. So finally, cross-zone load balancing, it might seems like a small setting, but it can have a huge impact on the performance and reliability of your applications. So whether if you're building a scalable applications or preparing AWS certifications, so this feature is a must. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more AWS videos. So if you want hands-on lab on this feature, drop me in the comments. So thank you so much for watching and see you all in the next video.